Wicks exercise I used for their concentration. So if you've got a horse that's not concentrating well, I do a lot of this till I get them thinking in the direction I want to go. I find a lot of stiffness problems, a lot of resistance in the horse's body comes from not guiding. So this is a part of my guiding program, but it's focused mainly on what he's thinking. Right? So if I want him to do a nice left circle and stay between my reins, he needs to be thinking left. It's never going to be a nice circle to the left if he's thinking go right, and vice versa. So I do this exercise at a jog. It just has a bit better cadence. Right, so I'm happy with that, so I'll stop. Right, so he gets his reward when he's still thinking about staying on the left circle. He may have that choice whether he can stay. I make it comfortable. If he leaves, I make it uncomfortable. But the key to that is letting them leave. We all want to stop them from leaving because we don't want them to make a mistake. But it actually just makes your circle more